stuff to do today, not a whole lot of time. First things first, stop by the parents' house, check on them, see how they're doing. And then hopefully today we will have 2 FXRs on the road. One's my buddy Rob's and one's mine. He doesn't know it yet, but I plan on filming the entire day and not picking up a single tool. He will find out the hard way when I get over there. It feels absolutely pristine. I cannot complain one bit. So I'll get on over to my folks' house and then we'll check back in with y'all after everything's all said and done, see if we can get another FXR running. Alright, I probably look like a mess, but we're about to go roll over to my buddy Rob's house and hopefully get to take his bike out on its like inaugural run. He's been building this thing for a long time. His is an 86 or 87 FXR. The thing is sweet. So yeah, we're about to hop on the bike, ride over there. We've been dealing with some oil pressure issues on that thing for quite some time now, and I think we got it all figured out. So we're about to go cruise. So hopefully today we'll finally get to run Rob's bike down the road. We've had it started a couple times, but every time we started it, we ended up with like oil pressure issues. Like it didn't, I mean, this is a brand new crate motor. It's 7 years old sitting in his garage, but I mean, it's a crate motor S&S 124 Evo. And the past few times we've been over there, every time we go to try to ride it, no oil pressure. So we were doing everything that we could think of to fix it or to diagnose the issue. And with that, like he pulled the oil pump off, he pulled the cam cover off to see if the Woodruff key was busted. I mean, he took the lifters out, soaked them, and here we are a few months later trying to run it again. But hopefully, Lord willing, today's the day. I'm gonna stop and grab me some gas, and then we got a few more miles before we're over at his place. So check back in. Hopefully we'll be riding. Thing's so sick.
I want you to get cancel cultured, man, taking photos of my bike.
Key. You got the plugs out or no?
Yeah, plugs are out. Fuck, I hope battery's fucking dead. Of course.
Alright, so that was a bit of a bust. But that's the name of the game, man. That's part of this stuff, dude. It is what it is. I know he's really looking forward to going out and riding his bike, and it's like when you put so much time and effort into something, like you kind of expect it to pay off. And it sucks, but we couldn't even fire it off. The battery was too weak. I think he's gonna end up buying another battery, but we still I had a good time still. Had a good little lunch. Had a beer. Now we're heading back home.